Saanvi. Today I am going to tell about my breakfast. My breakfast is idli with carrot chutney and sprouts. Wow, these all look like our Indian flag colors. In our flag, first color is saffron. Carrots are in saffron color. Carrots are rich in vitamin A. Vitamin A is good for eyes. In this carrot chutney, we added salt, chili powder, and lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C. We didn't fry this carrot chutney, that's why it is healthy. In our flag, second color is white. It is in white color. Idli is made up of millets and urad dal. Millets are rich in fiber and nutrients. Urad dal rich in proteins. This idli is also not fried item. It is steam cooked item. In our flag, third color is green. Sprouts are in green color. Sprouts are made up of green gram. Take green gram, soak it in water. After 4 to 6 hours, drain the water, keep it aside. After 4 to 7 hours, the sprouts will come. Sprouts are rich in all vitamins. If we eat green gram directly in our stomach, some gas will form. If we eat sprouts in our stomach, no gas will form. If sprouts reduce fats and other diseases. This sprouts is also not fried item. All these are not fried items. So these all are healthy. Thank you. Bye.